All right, welcome back. It's another episode of Tiki Talk and Backyard Adventures with me, your host, John Carlo, as I get behind my Tiki Village bar in the woods and make some drinks. So let's get to it. And on today's menu, we're going to go with some Redneck Firewater, aka the Kentucky Waterfall. It's like the mullet of drinks, you know? It's just business up front, party in the back. Let's make it happen. So we're going to take our shaker and our jigger. We're going to do 3 equal pours, 1 ounce each, of Kentucky's finest. You're going to go with 1 ounce of Mr. Jim Beam, followed by his friend, Mr. Evan Williams. We're going to go with, again, 1 of each of these. And of course, no party is complete in Kentucky without the best of Old Crow. Old Crow. Caw-caw! Going right on in that drink. All right. Now we're going to add half of an orange, freshly squeezed in here. Freshly squeezed orange. Oh, nice and plumpy and juicy. Out the window she goes. Go with our ice. Get our lid on this thing. Take it for a ride. All right, now, since it's the Kentucky Waterfall, we got to have our mason jar. That's going to be the best vessel for this beautiful drink. We're going to add your ice. Ice on in there. Gonna pour that beautiful Kentucky finest bourbon right on in. And of course, no party's complete without doing the do. Top her off with some Mountain Dew. And like always, gotta garnish. And there you have it. Redneck Firewater, aka the Kentucky Waterfall. It's like the Kentucky Derby going on in my mouth right now. Man, that's pretty nice. Well, there you have it. Well, till next time here at Tiki Talk and Backyard Adventures, where I make something else, y'all have a great day. Cheers. Mahalo. That's good. Kentucky Waterfall.